So just looking at some of the numbers for the 17 West Indians who will be heading to the IPL this year, salaries vary between 1.6 million US dollars for the likes of Andre Russell and Nicholas Pooran to a low of 66,000 for Kyle Mears, and a quick estimated average puts it at about 650 to 700,000 US dollars per West Indian. Now multiply that by 155, we're looking at an average of over 100 million Jamaican dollars per West Indian player. So at the lower scale, people getting 10, 20, and 30 million, while at the top end, some are getting well over 200 million Jamaican dollars in salary. And we calculated and said all of that to highlight the power of the world T20 market and its effect on young West Indian players. The fact is that West Indian skill sets in T20 cricket are in demand by the IPL and other franchise entities, which are willing to pay millions for those skill sets. So all who up in our dinosaur feelings about the future of Test cricket in the West Indies, how are you going to convince these nowadays players and the next generation to ignore all of these dollar signs and to be committed to run up and down in a sun hot for 5 days for peanuts? Where are you all going to find those players? Jupiter and Mars. Yes, good luck. Good luck.